Hi there, my name is Brian Martin. Welcome to Video Soundbites, where we bring the menus of thousands of restaurants to you, where our content is guaranteed to be menulicious. We like to call it the world's first food video blog. We've coined the phrase Foodio blog. So take that, enjoy it, let's get down to business, let's eat. Today we're sitting around enjoying the football game. We're about to call Papa John's and order us a pizza. Their menu, and we'll see how this goes. Hope you enjoy this. It's kind of neat, right? Hi, Mom. You guys enjoying your game today? Yes? Very good. What do you want, Josh? Cameraman.
Doesn't really matter.
Papa, good afternoon. How are you? Wonderful. I would like to call and order, if I can, a pizza. Of course, I'm going to get a pizza. For delivery, please. Brian Martin. 2 large, I guess, pizzas. One with ground beef, mushrooms, and pepperoni. And one with bacon, ham, and hot peppers. Yes, do you have some drinks? Do you have like a 2-liter?
Papa John's, they showed up, had a little bit of chaos with our dog acting up, so I couldn't quite get them, get the guy. He was pretty much losing his mind, our crazy little dog. But Papa John's, they did. They showed up. Here is what we've ordered. Look at that. This is our pepperoni. Nope, that's not true. It's hot peppers, bacon, and ham. We love it. Got our drinks. Sorry, light in your eyes. How about that? Got our Cokes. And a little bit of a Coke product. That's going to be very good. And we are excited to dig into that. Give us some time. We'll get set up, and you will see us on part number 3, which is devouration of the food. Yeah. And of course, our next one we've got here is the actual, let's see, this is the pepperoni, ground beef, and mushrooms with the signature hot pepper that comes with all the Papa John pizzas. And we are so excited about getting into these things. We're going to set this up, and you will see, of course, we said earlier, the devouration of these pizzas. Okay, we've got... My son was afraid to show us his plate, but look at that. That is the pizza slice. He's about to really enjoy this. He's got his mouth already full. Any words, Josh?
What is it? Devouration?
Devouration. Okay, that was it. Thank you. We hope you enjoyed your stay with us today. Whether Papa John is a choice you're going to make when you're going through trying to find some menu item. Remember, our content, it is always menulicious. I'm